My name is London Pedros.
My name is Kanye Swapita.
David Fry.
Paul Dam.
My name is Bianca Rivera. I've been here for 1 year.
7 years.
I've been here for about 8 months now. I started at Jendamark in 2021, qualified as a toolmaker.
I've only been here for a year.
I'm a toolmaker apprentice.
I'm working as a surface grinder at Chizen.
I'm currently working as a surf and grinder / wire cutter. I work in the CNC.
I am a turner.
We all work as a team towards the same goals.
I love the environment here. Everyone's always so friendly and we're just like one big family. We always get the work done together.
It's actually super amazing.
Fun if I can put it in a basic way. We have our crunch times, but in general, if you have any problems, everybody is easygoing. I like working in machines because there's lots of machines.
Been doing it for 30 years, learning new stuff every day.
I love the energy.
It's a community.
It's very fun, it's very interesting. Every day there's just something new that you haven't seen before. And to me, that's exciting. But the machines I work on a daily basis are surface grinders, wire cutting. Sometimes I'm on milling, sometimes I'm on turning.
Time management is very important. Checking your work, double checking your work all the time. Making sure everything is to spec. Always say, if in doubt, ask.
For me, working with a CNC machine is about the creativity. You have the freedom to think for yourself. You have the opportunity of to program for yourself. And it just brings out the individuality in the jobs.
Jendamark
It's very family orientated.
In the now.
really does just feel like a warm community.
It's lekker to work at Jendamark.
They care about our growth.
Jendamark is next level.
It's next level.